America. Brad LaRue and Dennis Franklin here with the Freeze Network. Today we're going to be discussing a serious issue of shrinking ice. This epidemic is harming thousands of marine animals across the world. We would like to inform you what shrinking ice is, what causes it, and the terrible implications it can lead to.
What is shrinking sea ice? Shrinking sea ice is a problem happening in the northern hemisphere in the North Pole where the ice is melting at a quickening pace. There's a cycle which the ice melts in the summer and freezes in the winter.
However, because of climate change, the ice caps are melting much more in the summer than it can freeze during the winter. So it throws off the cycle and starts to melt the ice caps over time.
This is affecting a large amount of animals around the world. For example, in Antarctica, polar bears are running out of shelter because of shrinking sea ice, and this is causing these polar bears to die or only have a very small amount of ice to live on.
Thank you, Dennis. Here are some statistics on shrinking sea ice. Ice grew at rates slower than average through most of December at 23,000 square miles per day, whereas from 1981 to 2010, the average was 24,100 square miles per day.
The Nimbus 1 satellite has been in space since the 1970s. It captured images showing a large difference in the amount of ice in the ocean compared to the amount of ice in the 2000s. As you can see, this is a very big problem that is affecting everybody and will continue to affect everybody if we do not put a stop to it.
I agree with you. Did you know that the ice caps reflect a large percentage of the sunlight coming down to the Earth's surface? So, when the ice is melting, that giant, white, reflective area is gone, therefore heating up the Earth even faster.
Yet another reason why we should act out to this problem immediately. Scientists suggest that in a few decades, the entire ocean will be ice-free. This will not only rise the ocean level, but the water will also be over-diluted, which will cause most fish to die. That's all for today, folks. Tune in next week for another edition of Science and More, where we talk about why laughing is affecting your lifespan and dramatically changing a lot of things. See you next time.